Welcome to my new series, Nexus Net Worth, where I take fictional characters and see how much they actually make. I'm taking Mr. Krabs. Okay, throughout the years, Mr. Krabs for 1999 and 2026. I want to see all the damages, the greed, and all the schemes Mr. Krabs' net worth. Not documented SpongeBob series. Estimate the varies based on the one that is canon of reality. Let's begin. Financial calculation of net worth of 5,249,000 million, 249 million 351,000. The relevant episode clues. Assuming that a monopoly of Krabby Patty become Reddit map breakdown the 1 plus 3% suggests Mr. Krabby is not wealthy. Community of 3,480 over 17 years of operation. His money comedic wealth, but some fans estimate his wealth of 4 billion more. Playing episodes where he displayed chests of gold, gems, and demolition of bills up to 1 billion. Income of businesses and realities. Revenue. Mr. Krabs' primary income comes from the Mr. Krusty Krab, which he actually works there because Mr. Krabs give ownership to SpongeBob to give so he can own the Krabby Patty stand, where there are no rent or mortgage. Significantly boosts his margarine fast food chain. Well, honestly, Mr. Krabs actually give the Krusty Krab to SpongeBob, but the continuity era just made him still the owner of the Krusty Krab. Expensive. His spending includes a luxurious house, car, fancy car, funding his daughter's lifestyle, expensive earrings. He also minimized costs by paying his employees SpongeBob and Squidward minimum wage, leaving his status only major of employee income. While the day-to-day business with margarine, episodic often depict him require a large sum of through scams and rare windfall, which as a 1 penny interest of episodes of Finding Treasure, which the net worth will his salary alone suggest. Conclusion: there is no cursory net worth of 1999 to 2026. The ground estimate places the net worth in the low millions of the monopoly and lack of overhead. Fan theories of the other 1 billion of the strict restaurant margins to billions based on the episodic treasure hoards. That's it. Next time I will actually do the evil, the wicked Mr. Burns. Have a good day. Bye.